So now let's say we know the height of the building is 25 meters. And we know that you're standing 50 meters away from the building. And the question is, what is the angle of elevation from there to the top of the building? Now you want the angle. Okay? If it's 25 meters here, and you want this angle here, think about it. Let's call it theta, the angle that I need here, theta. Then we need to find, we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So we can obviously then say that tan theta is opposite 25 over adjacent 50. Okay. So tan theta opposite of adjacent. So then you take the tan over and you say theta will be, on the calculator you say second function tan. 25 over 50 is a half. So you check on the calculator, you go to shift, second function on the calculator, top on the left, then tan, and then a half. And you see what it gives you. Then 26,57 degrees. Okay, so that's the angle of elevation.